Today we are going to be building the cheapest gaming PCs we can using eBay and Wish. So I have 15 minutes on the clock starting now. Probably should have screen recorded that. What is this? Wait. Here's a bundle. An X79 motherboard with an E5 2620, 16 gigs of RAM, and an NVMe SSD slot. But $172 is a lot of money.
Look at all of these entry-level cards that probably are not what they say they are.
All right, 120 gig SSD for $23, perfectly reasonable. Okay, 1,000-watt power supply. This is clearly what I need. I think the brand is power supply. Why is there human lubricant? Do you need to really specify it's for humans? Oh God, what?
Incredible.
3 minutes left? $104 for this case. It shows 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 RGB fans.
How many of those fans do you actually think come with the case?
Yeah. I bet one, maybe. 6 fans and controller? Oh, actually, I should.
That's actually pretty good. You know,
for
you should get that.
$500? Do you think that my aesthetic
it has aura sync.
Austin, I think you're missing something.
Don't whip out.
What? I have power supply, graphics card, CPU. What am I forgetting?
Nothing, don't worry about it.
What am I forgetting?
It's fine.
Power supply, wait. 45 seconds. Hold on. Okay, I have case, fans, power supply,
Who counts
SSD.
like that?
Cooler! No! What is this? Oh, look, pause. I paused my timer.
No, hey. No.
I'm just gonna buy it. Look, this one. There. Add, buy. I did it.
He didn't
No.
He didn't select the, so he doesn't have a cooler, so it doesn't,
I had add.
No.
It just took a second to load.
No, he missed it. He missed it. The other thing that you forgot to buy was Windows, so yeah.
I'm gonna use Linux, I don't care. Okay, you ready?
I think so.
3, 2, oh look, I already started, too bad. Go,
Okay.
15 minutes.
All right. I'm gonna try to find a really cheap, decent PC case. Oh, you know what?
Same thing with power supplies.
You know what? I'm gonna rip Austin off. I might as well just get the same damn PC case as him.
Wait, you found my same case, but it's like half the price?
Bye.
I paid $100 for that, you paid $55?
So, custom build gaming PC desktop computer. AMD HD 7570. All right, we're not gonna pick that one. Let me keep going. Ooh.
I can't believe you're gonna just buy a pre-build right now.
He literally does that for most of these.
I do. Oh, wow, look at this. Yeah, so Core i5, kind of variable. I don't know what is in it exactly. It has a 1060, 16 gigs of RAM, Windows 10, and $25 shipping. If I add this to cart...
How much time do you have left? You only have 8.
I have 8 minutes. I've already done most of my shopping.
You just bought a Dell, that's not...
I just bought a Dell. I just need a 3-pack of fans.
Those are my fans! Are you just copying me? You're getting my same fans and my same case?
Look, it's not my fault eBay decided to give me the same exact results for cheaper, so I'm just gonna do that.
I mean, everything is very much the exact same thing, but cheaper.
How are we still not done? We have to sit here for 45 seconds?
Make it dramatic, Ken. Pretend that you're going up against the timer.
What do I want to find on eBay? Is there anything you want, Matt?
Yeah.
What do you want? Something that's 25 bucks. Pogs. Okay, we'll buy some Pogs.
You're really buying Pogs?
We'll buy some Pogs. Oh, word. There we go. He seems very mad. I'm happy. I'm thoroughly satisfied.
I'm just happy that I finally get to have Pogs on the channel.
And we are back several months later now that we have received all of our wonderful items from eBay and Wish. So I'll start out with my build, which, okay. So there were some slight issues before, and those issues continue, because while I was able to get most of my items from Wish, unfortunately the power supply is still 3 months away from shipping. So I'm gonna have to get a little creative with that one. But besides that, I have my questionable looking items, like my completely legitimate GeForce series graphics card.
Oh, Jesus, that looks horrible. That's not even the same font.
So inside, my 1060.
We have
NVIDIA.
We have graphics cards at home.
Now, what I'm really banking on, and the only item which is not complete trash, is my motherboard, CPU, and my memory. Oh, this is what I'm banking on, is my Xeon. So it's an E5 2620, but you can see it's definitely been in and out a little bit. It's like actually like scratched up and dent. Look, there's 2 dents in the middle of the chip.
So this is what I have. Funny enough, Austin, we got a lot of the same stuff. I mean, of course, this PC is not the same, but I got the same fans as you. And this PC is not a slouch either. I mean, it's a pre-built that we
Wait.
bought on eBay.
Wait.
It's certified refurbished.
So you have no SSD, you have a 2400G and a 580. What? Why? That's such a weird combination.
It is. It is. I wish I could explain that, but this was literally the only SKU that seller even had on their store.
I want to see what's inside.
Yeah,
this guy.
let's open it up, shall we? This PC on its own actually doesn't look too bad.
Wow, that's very small.
Yeah. Look, here's the thing. Like, I don't think
Wait.
this is.
That's very small.
It is very tiny.
Oh, look at this. You have now a USB-C
Oh yeah, look at that. Modern.
and 10 gig USB.
Modern. Wow. Okay.
Small boy.
That is very interesting. We've taken a look at other pre-builts like this that are built in fairly small cases, and these things are kind of a pain in the ass sometimes. I think we'll be okay, but I should be able to easily transplant this.
Yeah.
An immediate observation in me trying to transplant the motherboard into this case is it is not using a standard layout, so I can't exactly screw this in that well.
How many screws do you have?
One.
One. The whole
But
thing's
no.
held in by one?
Well.
Oh my God.
If I just do this,
You use your graphics card to hold your motherboard in?
if I just do this, just
Oh, this is so good.
hold on, wait. Hey, there it is. We're in. Okay, I'm gonna screw it in first. Maybe
So
that'll.
triggered right now.
Oh, wait. Oh, look at that. Oh, am I doing it? Oh, I'm doing it. Oh, look at this.
Ken, this is disgusting.
There we look. Hold on, wait. We gotta test it. Oh, look at that. Ingenuity.
Does the cable need to be there to hold your motherboard in place?
No, actually, that's pretty locked in. You wanna feel that?
No, I'm good.
You sure?
Yeah, I'm good.
Look, I can carry it by the, look.
Okay, maybe don't do that.
Just jealous of my ingenuity.
you have a
Wait.
Do you see? You're talking ingenuity. Have you seen how I got that in there? Wait, show me. Are you okay?
No, that's hilarious.
Originally, this metal was touching the back of the graphics card, which I thought was probably a bad idea. So a little bit of foam, and it's actually not that bad. Now the foam is there, the CPU is touching about 70% of my cooler, which I think is probably enough. It's not gonna run cool, but considering that I have no real cooler and I have just this one, it's gonna work. Okay, so I have finally fixed my Wish gaming PC. So as you can see, it looks a little bit different. My top PCI slot might not be entirely dead, but is super flaky. Out of booting it about 30 times yesterday, I got it to post once. I was getting different error codes every time. It was driving me crazy. By moving my fake graphics card down to the bottom slot, which because this is an X79 board, still gets full bandwidth, that solved that issue.
So, my system did not go as planned.
Okay.
I could not put it into the other case without some other cables and whatnot.
Wait,
so I went
what is that?
back.
Wait,
I literally plastidip this overnight.
this is all Plastidip?
This is all plastidip.
Dude, that looks really good.
Yeah, I know.
Wow.
It matches my LG Velvet.
Oh my God. Okay.
But because I couldn't get my whole gamer case and fans working, there were numerous problems. Mainly the fact that a lot of the internal parts on this HP were custom. So I decided to just go back, lean into this, and make it my own. And I made it a clean white.
That actually does look really good.
Thank
so wait,
you.
have you made any, wait, is this just the computer you bought on eBay and you Plastidipped it? Is that, so you didn't make any changes? All right, should we start with Geekbench?
Yes.
Okay, so because I'm running on Linux, I have to launch Geekbench from the command line. So this may take a moment. Gathering system information, see? You've got my Xeon E5 2620, 6 cores, 12 threads, 12 gigs of RAM. Boy, you ain't got a chance on this one.
I just hate that you don't have a GUI for this.
No, because I'm a real broke person, and that means that instead of pirating Windows, I'm using Linux. Don't be afraid of a little command line. It's like being afraid of your grandfather.
My grandfather's dead.
Well, you shouldn't be afraid of him. .552 single core, 3246 multi-core. That, my friend, is going to be a not particularly hard benchmark to beat.
All right, let's go run my CPU benchmark.
Oh my God.
This is very slow.
How's it feel to be using a hard drive from 1994?
I will admit that it's giving me flashbacks to how bad the hard drive days were. SSDs are the way to go. If this were me, I would totally put a 120 gig SSD in this machine, which would probably cost me around $20. There are extra SATA ports in here that'll let me do that. But I didn't think ahead. All right, moment of truth. Browser.geekbench.com. Show me the results. What?
Wait, I was 552 single core, 3246 multi-core.
Wait, no, something's.
No, it's fine. That's the way it was meant to
That don't
be done.
seem right.
Yeah, that sounds exactly right.
you know what?
You have single channel memory. You only have one DEM.
I have single channel memory.
I have triple channel. I'm gonna say I win.
No.
Multi-core. Who cares about the little number? I want the big number. I have a bigger number than you, which means I win.
Dealing with a kid. Just dealing with the kid. If you ever wanted to know what it's like working for Austin Evans, it's literally working for a child. All right, CSGO. I'm at 140 frames per second. So suck it, Austin. I made the better move.
It's okay. I'm busy. While my game loads, I'm just gonna change my lights here. Get a little bit of blue. Still loading right now. Ooh, spooky. Wait, but Ken,
Yeah?
if I can't load the game, I'll have a 0 KD. If you're negative, that means that I win.
Okay. Come on. Yikes. Don't like that. Don't like that at all. Oh, that's my teammate. Ah! Hey, headshot. One more. Now! Knife. Knifer! Knifer! Now! Stop it. Stop it. Ah, big sad.
That's pretty smooth.
Yeah, no, I'm look, again, gamer strat is sometimes not to even work at all.
Look at the sad boy corner over there.
I spent so much time on my PC. I zip-tied the cooler. I fixed my motherboard.
Austin spent a lot of time making his car, but he never made it to the race. I at least finished.
Wait, are you already done with the game? I haven't even loaded into the first one.
Exactly. Exactly. See? See? I think I've done good.
I think
I've done better than. Sorry. Let me rephrase. I have not done good. I've done better than Austin, which is what matters. Don't buy this PC. Don't shop for PCs on Wish. Just go build your own $600 PC from scratch. Go to like Micro Center. You could even shop at Best Buy. Can you believe that? Yeah, there are way better moves than buying PCs on either store.